Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Victorinox Sea Rancher. It's a limited edition made for swissbianco in 3 colors. There will be a video on the swissbianco YouTube channel of each of the different color Sea Ranchers. This just show all the 3 colors together. It's a 2-layer Swiss Army knife. We see the tools we have in these models are the main blade, the pruner blade, the bigger screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper, and here we have the marlin spike sacking needle. So that's the tools in this Swiss Army knife. Here we have the gold color version, also with the red shield. On the back side is the engraving plate. And here the red version of this knife. That much about this variant of the 93mm ALOX Swiss Army knife. As I say, there will be each separate video where I go a bit more into details of this interesting Swiss Army knife that is a limited edition for swissbianco.